Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a connection on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. We have just to go to LinkedIn, and after that, go to your connections, enter to your profile, and go to your connections. For example, I will take, for example, someone like this person. And to remove the connection, you have to click on the three dots next to the message. And you can, as you can see here, there is an option, remove connection. So if you want to remove that person from your connections, you can just click on remove connection again, and this person will be removed from your connections. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.